Have you ever wondered why some places experience long periods without rain or extreme heat that seems to last forever? These are called droughts and heat waves, and they have a big impact on our world. But what actually are droughts and heat waves? Let's find out in today's video. A drought happens when a region experiences a shortage of rainfall for an extended period. This can happen because of natural patterns in the weather, like a high pressure system blocking rain clouds from forming. A heat wave, on the other hand, is when temperatures are much higher than normal for a prolonged period. This usually occurs during the summer and is linked to high pressure systems trapping hot air near the ground. Sometimes zones of high pressure can get stuck over certain regions. For example, we can see a band of high pressure moving towards the UK. Most of the time this happens in the south of the UK, which is why the south normally has hotter temperatures than the north. High pressure systems are key players in both droughts and heat waves. These systems create stable weather conditions, meaning fewer clouds and little rain. In a drought, the lack of rain leads to dry soil, shrinking rivers and low water levels. In a heat wave, the sun beats down, heating up the land and air, creating extreme conditions. Despite seeming simple, droughts can have severe impacts. Let's start with the social effects. Communities may struggle to access drinking water, and farmers often face food shortages due to failing crops. Droughts can cost billions of pounds. Crops fail, leading to higher food prices, and industries that depend on water, like agriculture and energy, are hit hard. This can even lead to power shortages across a nation. Environmentally, rivers dry up and animals lose their habitats. Wildfires also become more common. But what about heat waves? Heat waves can be dangerous for people, especially the elderly and those with health conditions. Hospitals often see more patients during heat waves. This can lead to downtime in the medical sector, where other appointments can no longer be seen. Economic impacts include damage to infrastructure, like roads and railways, and increased energy use for cooling, leading to higher electricity bills. Similar to droughts, heat waves stress ecosystems. Rivers and lakes can dry up, affecting fish and other aquatic life. However, this is not due to lack of rainfall. This is due to increased rates of evaporation. Forests could also suffer from increased wildfire risk. But what can we do to stop them? How can we mitigate the effects? While we can't stop droughts and heat waves completely, we can take action to reduce their impacts. Saving water, planting trees and reducing greenhouse gas emissions can all help. All in all, droughts and heat waves remind us how important it is to care for our planet. Together, we can make a difference, because if we don't, droughts and heat waves will continue to get worse in urban areas.